Hey everyone, my name is Nikolai and welcome back to another MCYU challenge, where this week we're going to be decoding some of the hidden messaging you might find in today's advertisements. In other words, we're going to be busting some ads. Get your detective caps ready, because this week we're going to be joined by the McMaster Secret Society of Advertisements. The Hulk Band-Aid ad. It looks pretty simple, right? There's not much to it. Just his giant hand wearing a band-aid. But there is plenty more we can uncover here. So have a pencil and notepad handy because we're going to be taking some notes. It seems like the company wants you to think of band-aids when you think of or see the Hulk. Why do you think this is? Why do you think they use the Hulk in particular? Well, we know the Hulk is like really strong, right? Maybe this has something to do with why they chose him for the ad instead of any other superhero. What do you think? Why do you think they chose the Hulk for this particular advertisement? Please, write down your thoughts, and I'll be back with you in a moment. Well, here, the ad could be showing us that even though the Hulk is really strong, he still needs band-aids when he gets hurt. And since we are much weaker than he is, we're only humans, well, we should use band-aids too when we get hurt. Excellent work so far, detective. What we've just done is called decoding. We've taken the ad, we've investigated it, and we found the real reasons behind having the Hulk represent band-aids. Now, since we were the ones who decoded the ad, the people that chose to put the Hulk in this ad were the ones who encoded it. Now, encoding simply means to put that relationship, meaning, or value into the advertisement. So the hidden relationship that we found in this ad is between the strength of the Hulk and the strength of band-aids to keep up with even his injuries. And the hidden emotion they wanted you to feel in this ad is the love for band-aids because we love the Hulk. Now that you've gotten a taste for decoding advertisements, I'm going to get you to decode one all on your own. This is going to be a crucial step in becoming a certified detective with the McMaster Secret Society of Advertisements. So, get your notepad handy and keep that mind of yours sharp. So detectives, here's your assignment. It's a McDonald's ad for their new lunch menu item. Tasty and mysterious. Here are some questions you should definitely be asking yourself as you begin investigating this advertisement. What does McDonald's sell? Why would they use Einstein in particular? What does the ad make me feel or think when I see it? What was Einstein famous for? Congratulations, detective! You've come a long way from the beginning of this video. You're well on your way to becoming a pro decoder and a certified detective. And now, I think it's time to build some of your encoding skills as well. For your next assignment, detective, you yourself will be an undercover advertiser, and you will create a commercial for a candy bar. Now, we're going to be encoding here. So, the value we're going to be giving you is friendship. How you choose to encode friendship is up to you. And remember, encoding simply means inserting that message or meaning into an advertisement to make people feel positively about your product and want to buy it. And please, share your creations with us. We would love to see your ads. You can email us at mcyu@mcmaster.ca, or you can tag us on Instagram. Well, detective, it's been quite a journey. From the beginning of this video, you were just discovering how to decode advertisements, and you are now well on your way to encoding your very own ad. So, as a final step in your initiation to becoming a certified detective with the McMaster Secret Society of Advertisements, I now ask you to repeat the following pledge after me. I solemnly swear that as a part of the McMaster Secret Society of Advertisements, I will always encode and decode ads and be an awesome, active consumer. Congratulations, detective, you've made it. Welcome to the Secret Society of Ads.